Not only are we concerned about rotation in these storms, we are also concerned about the possibility of hail. We can see here just to the west of Whitehall, softball-sized hail possible in this area, indicated by these orange, greens, and blues. To the west of Whitehall and moving into Bloomington, we do have the possibility of very large hail, softball-sized hail. So take cover immediately if you are on the east side of Boswell or Oxford. And this thunderstorm will be moving off to the east at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So Oxford is next. This hail will move off to the east. Tornado warning in place for farmland in Winchester and Randolph County. This area of rotation is what we're most concerned about. Just south of farmland, it's going to be moving east at 10 to 15 miles per hour over the next 10 to 15 minutes. So do take cover if you are in the farmland area. X-Vision radar. Nothing showing up from Fort Wayne, Indianapolis down towards Louisville. Clear skies right now. We saw a high today of 26 degrees, and as that sun set this evening right about 5:30, we saw this area of cloud cover moving in. Where we do have a tornado warning as indicated by this red box right here. The west side of Bloomington and Whitehall are under the gun right now. You can see with this hook right here, this is the most intense area of rotation with this thunderstorm as it quickly moves off to the east towards the Bloomington area. So take cover if you are on the west side of Bloomington or just south of Whitehall. Also, we want to take you just to the east of Bloomington. All right, so here we go. This is our next winter storm, and it's actually going to take shape across southern Texas and Louisiana and ride up the jet stream. And as this does, it's going to draw in a lot of Gulf moisture. And when that happens, we expect to see large snow totals. And that's going to happen this time, up to 2 feet of snow being possible in the Chicagoland area and southern Michigan. For us, however, our big concern is the ice. And from areas northern Indiana and Indianapolis down towards the southern part of the state, all getting in on that heavy ice action for the weekend. So I expect up to 2 inches of ice being possible across the metro region. Indianapolis to Kokomo to Lafayette, snowfall really starting to ramp up, and here we go. By about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock, Muncie, Kokomo, all of us seeing that heavy snow. In Monroe County, where you are under a tornado warning, this particular thunderstorm is causing the warning. This area right here is what we're most concerned about for rotation, where you do have this hook just south of Whitehall moving off to the northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. So if you're in Whitehall, Ellettsville, and on the west side of Bloomington, you should take cover immediately. You know, it has been a pretty snowy winter out there, and in fact, today we saw just under an inch of snow at 0.9 inches, bringing this year's snow total just under 3 feet at 33.4 inches. And there is more snow in the forecast. We can see here this area of low pressure is going to move across central Indiana, bringing with it the possibility once again for snow tomorrow afternoon. We can see overnight tonight snow showers and flurries in the area by Monday morning. Most of it clearing out. However, by Monday morning, south of I-70, we see this snow starting to work in. So just south of Indianapolis areas towards Rushville, Columbus, and Bloomington, getting in on the light to moderate snowfall Monday afternoon. And I think by late Monday afternoon, after 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, it'll start to dissipate and move off to the southeast. It's generally staying pretty clear across most of Indiana. Just a couple lingering snow showers and flurries associated with a couple lake effect snow showers by Tuesday afternoon. However, I think by late Tuesday afternoon, we're going to clear out pretty good, bringing the sunshine back in our area. Possible snow through Monday, though, it looks like this. Mainly south of I-70, we'll see the snow about an inch in the Bloomington area. We take a live look at X-Vision radar. A little bit of rain actually showing up here in the western part of the state, further towards the northeast, towards Fort Wayne. A little bit of snow and mixed precipitation for that part of the state. Right now, though, 38 degrees here in this city with the light south wind at about 14 miles per hour. We saw that low overnight just below freezing, but our high today approached 40 degrees here. And highs across the state were all above freezing. You can see Lafayette and Indy, which matching 39s, Peru, Muncie, into the upper 30s, but further south, we see the 40s, which is a sign of things to come, I think, in the next couple of days. Tonight, though, cloudy and breezy with a light snow shower or rain shower being possible. Either way, it's not going to be that big of a deal. With the light southwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Our low tonight is going to be just below freezing. But tomorrow, though, partly cloudy, mild and windy with a little bit of sunshine. That's going to allow our high to get pretty warm. Look at this, approaching 50 degrees tomorrow. And this is all due to a low pressure system that's going to stay to our north. As it stays to our north, warm air will ride up into Indiana on Sunday into Monday. On Monday, however, we're going to have this cold front that's going to sweep through our area late Monday afternoon into Tuesday. But it's not going to last very long, and I think you're going to be pretty happy with our 7-day forecast. We can see here much, much warmer in our 7-day forecast. Early next week, we're going to get into the mid-40s. Cool down on Monday as that cold front comes through, but shoot right back up for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, back into the 50s.